Hi, I'm Monica from Close to My Heart, and I'm delighted to welcome you into my home to share the Cut Above Kitchen Traditions Recipe Kit, a product that combines two of my favorite things, food and crafting. Food plays an important role in my family, as I'm sure it does in yours. There are so many memories and stories tied up in some of my family recipes. The goal of this recipe kit is to give you a place to keep those stories and memories right alongside the recipes themselves. Here, take a look. The kit is designed to work with our everyday life albums. It is the perfect size for this project. The kit features pocket pages and pocket cards following flexible placement of recipe cards, story cards, and pictures of people and food. There are several fun ways to embellish the pages using the stickers that are included in the kit and a coordinating stamp set. There's so many cute icons here, food icons, as well as just some really fun little different designs just to help embellish it and just really make it your own. And I love some of these journaling prompts as well on this stamp set, like the story behind this recipe. This recipe reminds me of, I love this recipe because. So what a really great way to really add your story inside of your recipe book. Now I'm going to show you how I use one of these icons on my own recipe card. So this is a really easy and fun way to personalize it and make it your own. You can see some stickers here and add a little foam tape to give it some dimension and a little extra personality. This is a stamped icon right here, and I love this feature in particular. You see this really fun tab. I've used the heart icon out of my stamp set. And then as part of this kit, you get the stickers and you get these tab stickers. So you stamp your icon on both sides, you peel that right up and just stick it right onto your page protector. And it's really, really that simple. I just love how it's all come together. All right, so part of this too is really adding that personalization and stamping. And inside of these little circles, it's giving me the icon prompt right there so I know what this recipe is focused on. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to push this aside here, and we are going to do, here I have a recipe card that I've already started, haven't quite finished yet, but I've got my stamp set, and because this is a chicken recipe, I'm going to move this card, I am going to use my little chicken icon right there. So I've taken it off already, and here I've got my stamp pad, and I'm going to be using my archival black ink. Put that right there, and here is my foam insert from my stamp set just to make sure I've got that smooth, even placement. All right, so here I've got my cute little chicken icon so that I know that this is a chicken recipe. And it's really that simple and so incredibly cute. Now I can just slide this card into the pocket of the album right next to a picture of my family enjoying this very dish. Here's another fun way to embellish that circle on your recipe cards. I've added a photo, and I put a photo of my child. This is Serena, and this is her favorite recipe, chicken enchiladas. And you can see here I've got another one back here where I've got Josh, and this is his favorite recipe. Now, let's be honest. All these recipes are their favorites. I kind of had to pick and choose for them, but I've got all these really cute ways of showing how this is their favorite and telling that story with it. So now that we've looked at how this kit works, let me show you what comes with the kit. The basic kit includes 60 4x6 cards, some recipe cards, title cards, journal cards, and pattern cards. All the cards are double-sided, so you can choose the best use for each card and design. It also includes 6 8x6 divider pages, which are also double-sided, and 2 6x6 sheets of stickers. Look at those adorable designs. So this is the base kit, which you can purchase as a standalone item, but you can also purchase it together with memory protectors that you'll need for adding this to an album. All right, let me show you what comes with your memory protectors. You get 30 4x6 divided protectors and 6 6x8 protectors as well. Now there's one more option, and I think it's the best option of all, and that is all of the base kit, the memory protectors, your everyday life album, and this really adorable stamp set with all of the different icons. Now finally, what comes included with the base kit, and it does come with all of the options I've just told you, is this really great Cut Above Recipe Kit guide. So you can see here we've got inside some different tips and inspiration of how you could put your kit together. It's a really beautiful guide, full color, with different examples on how you can do placement of stickers and cards with photos and your story. If family recipes are as important to your family as they are to mine, then you are going to love this kit. Talk to your Close to My Heart consultant or visit closetomyheart.com to get your own Kitchen Traditions kit and start preserving those memories today.